Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, northwestern Logan County, southern Hardin County, Auglaize County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Mary's, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wapakoneta, Kenton, Fort Shawnee, New Bremen, Minster, Cridersville, Enna, Jackson Center, Russell's Point, Watkins, Lakeview, New Knoxville, Alger, Waynes Field, Bell Center, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Moulton, Roundhead and McGuffey. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 99 and 118. The National Weather